Hi guys, mabuhay and welcome back to another episode of Amethyst Vlogs. For today's video, I'm going to share with you easy steps for a natural looking eye makeup, just like what I am wearing right now. So if you're interested to learn how I did it, please keep on watching. Alright, so to start off, put a little amount of concealer on both of your eyelids, just like what I'm doing at the moment. And then make sure to blend it well using a makeup sponge. If you don't have a makeup sponge at home, it's fine. You can always use your fingers to blend the eye concealer. Or if you don't have an eye concealer, you can always use your foundation as the eye makeup base. And as you can see, my eyebrows are already done. Please watch out for my video tutorial on how to achieve perfect eyebrows, which I'll be posting soon. Alright, so the next step would be the eyeshadow. I'll be using 3 different shades of brown to achieve a more natural looking eye makeup. I'll start off with the lightest shade and apply it on my whole eyelid all the way under my eyebrows. Okay, so another tip for beginners, if you're just starting to learn how to do your eye makeup, always start with neutral colors because it's easier to correct it if you make a mistake while applying it. And also use 3 different shades of the same color so that there is transition in your eye makeup. O, diba? Parang walang nalagay kasi nga natural looking. Now that I have put the base, I'm going to change my brush. This is the brush that I used to blend the base. So I'll move to a flat brush. Alright, so after applying the lightest shade, now you can apply the medium brown shade. Apply the medium brown shade on your crease. If you cannot find your crease, just feel the gap between your eyeball and your eye socket, and then you can start doing an arch on your crease by applying the makeup from one side to another, just like what I'm doing at the moment. So do not apply the same makeup or the same shade on your eyelid, which is closer to your eyelashes, to make room for the next shade that will apply later on. So I'll be using a different brush this time to apply an eyeshadow on my lower lashes. I'll be using the same shade, the medium brown shade, to create an illusion that my lower lashes are thick. So I'll be just putting the eyeshadow on my lower lashes. I know for some beginners, you don't have the different brushes. Whatever brush that you have, as long as it's for eyeshadow, then it's fine. Some eyeshadow palettes come with free brushes, so you can always use that. So use a blending brush again, just to make sure that everything is well blended together. Ano daw? Here. Alright, so we're now on the 3rd shade, which is a somehow orangey eyeshadow. I'll be applying that onto my eyelid, so I'm using a flat brush to apply the shimmery orange brown shade on my eyelid. maybe I'll put this one, but it really depends on you, as long as it's lighter. Alright, so what I'm doing right now is I'm applying a shimmery eyeshadow on the corner of my eyes just to achieve a more finished look. So I'm using the same eyeliner I used in my eyebrow. So this is from Eyeshadow and the shade is in Hazelnut. Alright, so this is the hardest part of your eye makeup, which is the eyeliner. Okay, if this is your first time doing the eyeliner, I suggest you to start off in the middle of your lash line where your lashes are thick. This is because at the start, our hand is shaky and may result to making a mistake. So if you start in the middle, at least it's easier to blend and correct it because the middle part is where your lashes are the thickest. So when your hand is not shaky anymore, you can begin applying eyeliner to your whole lash line. And if you're a beginner, I suggest you use an eyebrow pencil rather than a liquid eyeliner because liquid eyeliners are harder to apply and may be prone to applying it incorrectly. So after applying on your lash line, you can also apply eyeliner on your lower lash line just to give definition on the shape of your eye. So I'm using BYS mascara. It's volume and lengthening. The reason why I'm using this is because it's waterproof. Alright, so this is the last part and my favorite part, which is the mascara. So when applying mascara, you can apply it on the very root of your eyelashes and then slowly wiggle it outwards to avoid clumping of the eyelashes. And then just repeat the process until you have achieved your desired thickness. I usually apply 2 to 3 coatings of mascara to have a more volumized and defined eyelashes, and then just repeat the process on the other eye. Excuse my face if I do this because that's the only way that you can put your mascara. So it's very common that you see a face like this so that you can put mascara on the lower lash line. Yeah, it's funny. You have to do that to achieve best results. If you won't do that, there you go. Not sure if you can see it, but look at my eyelashes. I'm just going to curl it one more time because I am extravagant. Okay. And then curl it one more time. Okay. Now your Alright, so there you have it. Now you already know how to achieve a natural looking eye makeup. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, I hope you leave a thumbs up, leave a comment, let me know your thoughts. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I hope you click that subscribe button please also click the bell notification icon so that you'll get notified every time I post a new video. Alright, so again, this is Amethyst, and I hope to see you again on my next vlog. Bye!